Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Craven Vanguard effectively in Ultimate Battlegrounds. This character is known for his incredible power and straightforward, yet devastating, combos. We'll cover his core abilities, strategic deployment, and advanced techniques to help you dominate your opponents with ease. Get ready to unleash the full potential of this formidable fighter. Let's dive into Craven Vanguard's core abilities. Heave is your primary grab, perfect for extending existing combos. Tremor delivers a strong slam, great for starting an assault or continuing a chain. Lightning Strike launches your foe into the air, creating opportunities for follow-up attacks. Finally, Heavenly Slash is a flexible move that can either extend your combo or serve as a powerful finisher, even hitting grounded opponents. Craven Vanguard excels at easy, high-damage combinations. Start with Tremor to slam your opponent, then chain into basic attacks. Use Heave to grab and extend the combo, or Lightning Strike to launch them for aerial follow-ups. Remember to dash after launching to maintain pressure. Conclude your devastating sequences with Heavenly Slash for a powerful finish, often leading to a knockout. To truly master Craven Vanguard, focus on precise timing. Practice using Heave immediately after other attacks to maximize combo length. Remember that Heavenly Slash can connect with opponents whether they are in the air or on the ground, making it incredibly versatile. Leverage his straightforward, high-damage combos to consistently overwhelm your adversaries. Also, integrate evasive moves to create openings for your powerful counteroffensives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.